the 14th video for my eShop web application project. Here, our task is to program the product updating process. This is my product updating page. In updating a product, you cannot update all the details of your product. You can only update your title, the delivery costs, the description, and your product images. Here, in myproducts.php code, I have given an on-click event to the update button of each product card, and the on-click event is send ID inside brackets the specific ID of that product taken directly from the database. In the JavaScript side, I have written this function send ID inside the bracket ID. I have made the HTTP request, stored it as var, and I have sent that by get method to the send product ID process.php file by the name ID. This is the send product ID process.php file. Here inside the PHP script, I have given session start and then require connection.php. I have taken the email of the user who is in session and stored it as $email, and I have taken the ID that was sent from the JS side and stored it as $PID. Then I have given a search query to the product table where the ID is equal to $PID and user email is equal to $email. If there is a product like that, I have taken the details of that product and stored it as $product data. Then I have stored $product data as $session p. Then an echo will come from the server side saying success. If there is no product like that, then an echo will come saying something went wrong. Then back at the JS side, if the response text is equal to success, it will take us to product update product.php page. If not, the response text will be displayed as an alert. This is the code for the product updating page. This code is very similar to the add product page because the design of the page is similar. Here at the top, I have given require connection.php because I need to be connected with the database, and then I have given two if conditions. First, to see if a user is in session, and then to see if the product is in session. Then I have disabled the selector for category, brand, and model. Inside the selector, I have given a PHP script inside which I have taken the details of the product which is in session and stored it as $product. Then I have given a search query to the category table where the ID is the category ID of $product. I have taken the data and stored it as $category data. Then inside an option, I have given a PHP script inside which I have displayed the name from $category data. For the selector for brand, I have given a search query with a sub search query. I have given a search query for the brand ID from the brand has model table where the ID is equal to the brand has model ID of $product. Then I have searched for that ID in my brand table. I have stored this as $brand rs and taken the data from $brand rs and stored it as $brand data. Then I have given an option inside which I have given a PHP script and taken the name from $brand data. I have done something similar for select product model. I have disabled the selector and given the PHP script and written a search query for the model ID from brand has model table where the ID is equal to the brand has model ID of $product, and I have searched for model ID in my model table, stored it as $model rs, taken the data from $model rs and stored it as $model data. Then I have given an option with a PHP script inside which I have taken the name from $model data. I have disabled both the radio buttons for the product condition, and I have given an if condition. If the condition ID of $product is equal to 1, the radio button for brand new will be checked, otherwise the radio button for used will be checked. For select product color, I have disabled the selector and I have given a search query for the color table where the ID is equal to the color ID of $product. I have stored it as $color RS. I have taken the data from $color RS and stored it as $color data. Inside an option, I have given a PHP script inside which I have given the echo for name from $color data. I have disabled the input field and button for the color, and then I have disabled the input field for cost per item as well. Afterwards, I have given IDs for the input fields that you can change. I have given an ID for title, for product quantity, the input field for delivery costs, for product description text area, and then for the input field of the image uploader. At the bottom, there's a button for update product, and for that button I have given an on-click event update product. In the JS side, inside the function update product, I have grabbed all the input fields with the given IDs and stored them like this. Then I have created the form to take the data to the server side and appended all these variables as name and value pairs. For the image, I have taken the image file length, stored it as var image count, and I have made a for loop to append the multiple image files separately to the form. Then by Ajax, I have taken the form to the server side using the post method to the update process.php file in the server side. This is the update process.php file. Here inside the PHP script, I have given session start and given a require connection.php. Then I have given an if condition to see if the product is in session, and I have taken the ID of the product that is in session and stored it as $PID. I have taken all the data that was sent from the JavaScript side and stored them like this. Then I have given an update query to the product table to set the title, quantity, delivery fee, and description where the ID of the product is $PID. Then an echo will come from the server side saying product has been updated. Afterwards, for the image files, here I have taken the size of $files and stored it as $length. Then I have given the allowed image extensions and then a delete query to the images table where the product ID is equal to $PID. Then I have given an if condition to check if $length is lesser than 3 and greater than 0. If it's not so, I have given an echo saying invalid image count. Then I have started this for loop to generate the names for each image file, and here I have checked the type of each image file with this if condition. And if the image file type is not any of the given types, then an echo will sound from the server side saying file type not allowed. After this if condition, a new file name will be generated, and then I have given an insert query to the images table to set the attributes path and product ID into values $file name and $PID. And in the JS side, an alert will come displaying the echo from the server side. Now, to check if this process works, I will update the product Samsung S6. Here the product image have changed and the number of items have changed. The items name have changed, and here in my database the delivery fee have also changed.